Hey guys, Nate here, and I'm here to show you how to create an invoice using QuickBooks Online. Now there are two ways to do this. If you already know the customer that you want to send an invoice to, go under the Sales tab, see a list of all of your customers, and then go ahead and hit Create Invoice. Now the second method of doing it requires you just to go to the New tab up here, click New, Invoice, and then you're going to see this screen right here. So with this method, you're going to go ahead and select the customer yourself. So whatever customer you want to send an invoice to, for this example we'll use Diego, and his contact information will be automatically uploaded here with his billing address and customer email. So the terms, the invoice date, and the due date you can totally customize yourself and change however you want. Now you're going to want to go down and select the product or service that you did for the customer, the rate at which you did it at, and then you're all set to go. Go ahead and hit Save and Send, and there you have it. You officially sent the invoice to the customer. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful and would like to watch more educational tutorials on QuickBooks, visit our EBizCharge YouTube channel. If you'd like to learn more about how you can reduce your credit card processing costs and simplify your accounts receivables on QuickBooks, visit EBizCharge.com.